Mwasomea weli tukeriga retichi kane karibu sana chitariki ninye motinyi ogatano onarimo mwako ikire nusu na kwanirie na gusugerie andonsia sore asomugaso obene karibu sana Ekeonga ne Chinsa Isano na Ibere riane Matildah Obaigwa Wilson Omakori korasensemo area yebimanyiriro na nekerongo chaka Ekeonga nikobono mukonyi bumurai asekiama keria gia Jubilee boske Dr. Fred Matiang'i bono anyarire Obaigwa kubaterana no murai wekemagia PNU mwaziri mukuru Peter Munya nikobono banyari kugikiria oigetambukiro gya serikali kubeka egetuo ya quarantine gosigia quarantine ase Chinsa mochiria echiananyuki ime ye county ya Laikipia kia abaroire baranyore osibali barabwateranirwe no muchando bwebola akorwa senseri ya DR Congo ukoigwana kwakorekanire egati ya serikali ya Kenya na bwigo serikali ya Marekani engana yaberege kuyora ebirengereri baba Kenya bangi korende asensemo ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i niko aboririe nerebya serikali hose abarai bare ime ya serikali kwani kiabuna banyare kubeka ebirengereri baba Kenya ase omustari obosio.
You cannot have public health that is not driven by public interest. Public health must be driven by public interest. And as my brother has explained brilliantly, the understanding we have about quarantine is that you quarantine people where there is a problem. You don't fly them, across, to 2 countries or 3 countries. Why can't you build the same facility in DRC? No one is explaining this. And then, to my brother and our Minister for Health, democracy is government by deliberation. It's government by conversation. We are a democracy. And the people of Kenya have a right to ask, even if they ask stupid questions, it's still their right. And they also have a right to be answered, all those questions they're asking. That's our duty as leaders. It's our responsibility. Once we are in those offices, you cannot say, you don't have to listen to the people of Kenya. You have to listen to the people of Kenya unless you are running a dictatorship.
Quarantine facilities are created in DRC or wherever the sickness is. If by any accident somebody comes here who has the disease, then you have a facility somewhere to treat that person who has come, who has gone through without, but you don't have a government facilitating to move people who are already infected from the area where the disease is. You have to construct those facilities there to contain them there. You only have facilities to deal with any emergency. In case there is a mistake, somebody travels here. But the policy of this government is you are creating a facility and moving patients to Kenya. And we are saying no. Sisi tunasema hapana, atukubali na atutaki.
Ukona chinga kechecho kurasi county ya Meru mugasorero nigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyare kumochia serikali ikorawa no muraiwensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto asoko bage kwa gachachia visi hose chinyumba cyo bumenyo bwe serikali yanene asekirase chimanyekanite buna state lodge na satebire chinga kechiga nigo chibese chichibonete gutumika kwena na obukoriri hoja saba Kenya korindeta ryo kugendera komenta amagacho ayo atari gokonya abakenya.
If I was so blessed and so lucky to be given the opportunity to be the leader of the country in that particular respect, I will not build a single new state lodge anywhere in Kenya. And I will not build a new single state facility for the president to sleep. Because that is not good investment. That's not the good resources. Na nyinyi ndio mnajua hii maneno na wauliza. Hakuna mtu ako na pesa nyingi kuliko Marekani. White House ni moja. President akienda pande ile nyingine analala kwa mahoteli na kule kwingine. Ukija hapa Meru, what is the problem? Utaweza kulala hoteli kama hii? You can even take it over for a day and so on. Instead of wasting money in those kinds of things, why don't we now focus? Sasa unajua Kenya imekomaa. We are a serious country. Let us have conversations about the welfare and the future of our people as the people who love their country and who want to make a difference in the lives of our people. Hiyo ndio mambo sisi tunataka kuzungumza na viongozi na wananchi wa hapa Meru. And those are the things we would like to do. That's why we are asking for that opportunity. Tafadhali tumekuja hapa leo, mimi nimekuja hapa kubisha mlango Meru. Majaliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Wakati huo ukifika nitapeleka barua yangu ya kuomba kazi kwa Wakenya. Kwanza hawa wananchi wa Meru nitaendelea kupisha mlango na nimekuja kupisha mlango hapa Meru.
na umoncho murigireria ya mate yomorokiwa umusae bw'emyaka 20 ase umwaka kabere ye University ya Kenyatta ya mate yaye korwa ase chinsemo cy'enyabisia ime bunge ya Bobasi county ya Kisii niko banyari kurigia obwene kumanya ningikererete umwancho yobo gosiria obugima bwae umoroki oyo Senator Elijah Gichogo Nyambega niko bono asireti obugima bwae chinga kianyarete gusoka ne pigipigi korende kanyara konyora gusoma biro gatuka ipara mbare gaitire na boigo epigipigi eyo abwate etayo chinga kibono yamate yaye anyarire kwera una banyarete konyora roboti rogwichane ase baburi buna utukibwa bwango gokorekana elinde banyare kumanya ningikererete musao yo goito asinchire nkavune yo.
Jina langu ni Eunice Nyambega. Mimi ndiye dadake marehemu sana. Na ningependa kusema kuwa tumeumizwa sana na hili jambo. Ni kitu ambacho hatungeweza kutarajia kinaweza kufanyika katika familia yetu. Kwa sababu vile ambavyo tunalelewa na mamangu, sisi tumekuzwa kwa maadili mema. Hatujai kukosea mtu.
Ono agasabira rafiki yae pichare nganga Chinsa saa 3 cha utuko. Agasabira rafiki yae epigipigi aenda chikubeka jacket. Waka rafiki yae akamwa epigipigi onaru ali akagenda nkaka beke jacket akaira na akarakana kakubeka mafuta petrol station. Kurwabu akabuguria customer magena akabura igo bakamwashita gutoka kabekire kebuko bogatagati kwanya maji kabekire paragati nabo twasi nitu yanyari kana because kretowa kresi mina DCI police kornyangoso momo biro tokire nchimalo seno yoino yare ngon Wednesday imambi around saa 5 hiyo saa 6 so karutoa confirm tukaroma tukanyora maene samiri
kama familia tujue namna ya kufanya. Juu hata kama ni mhalifu, ile kifo ambayo ile mtoto alifariki ilikuwa kifo cha uchungu sana. Tunaumia.
Ni mtoto ambaye ni mtoto wa kipekee. Tabia yake ni mtoto mzuri, hana utukutu wowote, ni mtoto mtiifu, ukimuita anakuja haraka, na ni mtoto mwenye anajituma sana. Alienda shule akasoma, akapita akaenda university. Ni mtoto mwerefu na ni mtoto ambaye unaweza kutegemea na kuamini.
Tumurigere hasensemo yende ebyumbe bitenerete Abakenya bali bamenyete no bolema ose bayiboire no bolema ao nigo bono byanyare wesokya na kubura buna enonye katiba ya Kenya kebaete obusibore bwo sona nya sama baga yoburai ense ya Kenya terabage koba amabaga yo asenchira yabene baukwana kuraso mucho Nairobi nigo banyare kwe murungani abuna nonye ebiro kubuna biria byobo waziri nabwo amabaga amanene nigo abo bamenyete no bolema bataraba abako yenyorera asense moyende niko batebire buna niko baraganie kubwateranirwa ase oboime mono ase siasa yo mwaka 2027 ose yobochori obonene bori bosio ase batebire mbabe bakuburia ekiombekeri kia IEBC kenyare kubarigereria nabo kubari bagari abene banyare kuba bakurana buna baranyare gutwara ribaga rinene nabo igo omonguso ase abamu abo ase obochori obonene bogocha.
We want IEBC to reinstitute the Disability Inclusion Coordinating Committee so that it can assist in civic education among people with disabilities and also to guide IEBC on participation of persons with disabilities. Participation of persons with disabilities in the political parties. We know and we understand that a number of us people with disabilities have not fully participated in political parties. There may be many reasons for that, but even those who have participated, we have failed to be adequately recognized. We also would like to see these lobbies participate in assisting our political parties in identification of appropriate representation in Parliament. We want to see people with disabilities represented by people they recognize and the people they have themselves have had a hand in appointment.
Appointment of more persons with disability into key leadership positions, including cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, to ensure our voice is represented at the highest level of decision making. Number 2, accurate and up-to-date data collection on persons with disability to improve planning and budget, addressing gaps identified in 2019 census. 3, reservation of 5% employment opportunities for persons with disability across all levels of government and public institutions.
We demand a full involvement with all economic development programs in order to ensure accessible building, free ascensive devices and services, and an improved transport and the built environment for ease for access by persons with disability.
Disability hoye! Hoye! Disability hoye!
Wancho morigiria kurase wizara yobochenu niko morikyo botambe ase wizara yo omoske Mary Muthoni bono nere anyari gukwanira igati yemeroberio eri serikali ebegete wetirase wizara yo kwene kibuna oburore bwa Ebola tiboraba bukubwatrania ba Kenya ase birengo begoro asa matuko alebosio kaukwana nigo anyari kwera buna nigo abaroire buna bono Ebola butariko manya chimbebe asa buri buna okuburwani oburore obuiga hoika Abakenya banyari kubwaterana naboigo nonye Chinsa chonchokanene ensi ya Kenya banyari kubwaterana asinjire iri ya bene ilinde kurwania oburwere bunabono obuiga wa Ebola.
Truly embodied our guiding theme, which is connected leadership for collective action. And the ongoing Ebola Budibugyo virus disease outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda is a stark reminder that pathogens do not respect national boundaries, and therefore our cross-border preparedness and response mechanism must be equally very fluid, unified, and decisive. And reflecting on the epidemiological updates from the Continental IMST and our subsequent discussions, key imperatives stand out from our action. That operationalization of One Health is we must aggressively integrate our disease surveillance systems to ensure that cross-border readiness is anchored in a comprehensive One Health framework. Equally, proactively have health intelligence, and I think we have seen the level of preparedness that is there among member states, and also the level of coordination must be really super.
Tumerene nandase Ekeonga Chinsa komi hasaya ndange bunayo naboigo asinjira iri iyavene kurende gendera gutubwatia naboigo gendera kurigireria Getembe TV nonye weterase mitandao yeito yekerero nkuruko Matildah Obaigwa Wilson amakori korwa sebi manyererio gendera kuyechingira emeroberio so asembeo unobono moroberio rasa asembeo of vibes on vibes.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano eyu ebata chikosi buna Agriculture and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agriculture and Extension mpubwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air